Hello students, good day. I'm teacher Alvin and I will be your teacher for today's online class. Today, I'll be teaching science. But before we go and proceed to our discussion, let's watch first our documentary.
Beautiful birds. Part 2. 8. Woodpecker. 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 Vocabulary: pecking, bark, feathers, nostrils. The woodpecker is known for pecking holes in tree bark. It has feathers covering its nostrils. It has 4 toes, 2 facing the front and 2 facing the back.
Now, let's proceed with our vocabularies. Our first vocabulary word is review. 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 Now, let's spell the word review. It's R-E-V-I-E-W. Review. Very good. Our second vocabulary word is recall. 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 Now, let's spell the word recall. It's R-E-C-A-L-L. Recall. Great job. Our third vocabulary word is summary. 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 Now, let's spell the word summary. It's S-U-M-M-A-R-Y. Summary. Very good. So today, we're going to have a review for your PA Test 3. And our today's topic is use of magnets. Again, can we repeat one more time our topic for today? Use of magnets. Can you still remember what is a magnet? Do you have any idea? Magnet is an object or a piece of iron that is able to attract iron and steel towards itself. But do you know what is the use of a magnet? Magnets are used in many things. For example, we use magnets in speakers. The magnet powers the speakers in stereos, earphones, and televisions. Magnets are used to make a tight seal on the doors of refrigerators and freezers. We use also magnet in a compass. A magnet is what makes a compass point north. We use magnets to lift things, just like scrap metals. A magnetic stripes on many credit and banking cards use a strip of magnetic material to store digital data. We use magnets in phone cases. Magnets are used to store data in computers. Magnets are very important in scanning machines called MRI. Magnetic resonance imagers, which doctors use to look inside people's bodies. Energy exists in many forms. Again, energy exists in many forms. But what is energy? Can you still remember the definition of energy? If you say yes, and you say energy makes things move, your answer is correct. For example, a car can move because it uses energy. A computer works because it uses energy. These are some examples why energy is important to us. And there are many forms of energy. We use some forms of energy every day. And here are some forms of energy. We have electricity. Next is heat, light, and even sound. These are the examples of energy. Let's start with electricity. Electricity is a form of energy. There are lots of things that use electricity. For example, we have your computer, television, electric fan, and even your smartphones. Next will be heat. Heat is a form of energy. Here are some examples of things that emits heat. Just like your oven, fire, stove, and even the sun. Next is light. Light is a form of energy. And here are some examples of things that emits light. We have the sun. We also have the light bulb and the candle flame. These are examples of things that emits light. Next will be sound. Sound is a form of energy. And here are some examples of things that emits sound. We have speakers, microphones, and even our instruments like guitar and saxophone. And these are some examples of things that emits sound. Where does energy come from? Again, where does energy come from? Anything that gives us energy is called a source of energy. Let's start with heat energy. For example, the sun gives us heat energy, and the sun is a source of heat. We also have a stove, and a stove gives us heat energy. A stove is a source of heat. We also have the oven. An oven gives us heat energy, and an oven is a source of heat. That's why we can bake some breads, cakes, and cookies. These are some examples of the source of heat energy. Let's proceed with light energy. For example, a light bulb gives us light energy. A light bulb is a source of light. We also have the sun. The sun gives us light energy, and the sun is a source of light. Next is fire. A fire gives us light energy, and a fire is a source of light. And even the lightning in the storms gives us light energy, and a lightning is a source of light. And lastly, we have electricity. For example, a battery. A battery gives us electricity. A battery is a source of electricity. Just like our phones. Our phones are using battery. We can use our phones because the battery has an electricity that is stored in it. We also have a power station. A power station gives us electricity, and a power station is a source of electricity. We can use our televisions in our home and charge our phones because the power station supply us an electricity. Let's do our wrap-ups. Number 1. What form of energy does a light bulb emit? Do you have any idea? And if your answer is light energy, your answer is correct. Number 2. What form of energy does a power station give? Any guess? And if your answer is electricity, your answer is correct. Number 3. Do compass use magnets? The answer is yes, it does. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new today. And please don't forget to wear your mask regularly and wash your hands often. Stay safe. And again, this is Teacher Alvin, and see you soon. Bye!